Oh, this is a beautiful little barbecue. I just bought it this May. It's December now. I bet it still starts on its own. Without a lighter. But I bet the lighter still works. Oh, it does. First try. Lighter still works on this little broil king made in Kitchener. Whew. Love that. I actually got 3 burners. Tiny barbecue with 3 burners. Pretty handy. There we go. It's pretty cold out here, but that's going to be warm pretty soon. Let's make it much to make yourself a little student spaghetti on a barbecue. Here's what you do. You put the spaghetti in, break it so it fits. All right, nice cheap meal. I add enough water to boil the noodles. Put a lid on, stick it on your barbecue. Thank you, Broil King. That's about it. Come back in about 10 minutes. I have this cranked high, and I'll show you what we do. There you go. Lovely spaghetti. You don't even have to drain it. Snowy lid. And there you have it. I poured a can of cheap sauce on, still smoking, hot enough to accept that sauce. Don't even have to reheat it. I cut up some Montreal smoked meat, stuck that on top there. Hello from Canada. That's our 10-minute barbecued spaghetti. Don't overthink using your barbecue. Don't be a wimp in the winter time. Barbecue some spaghetti. Thanks for watching.